Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about smoothie bowls for the summer, quick, healthy, and delicious. Greetings everyone, thanks for returning to the channel. Today we are diving into bright colors, tropical fruits, and lots of summer fun. The sun is shining, the weather is hot, and you know what's perfect for this season? Smoothie bowls. Cold, fresh, sweet, and super healthy. In this video, I will show you how to make the best summer smoothie bowls that you can enjoy for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. First, we need to make the base, the thick and creamy smoothie. Today, I will show you 3 amazing tropical fruits you can use. 1. Mango smoothie base. Take 1 cup of frozen mango pieces. Add half a banana. Add a splash of coconut milk. Blend until smooth and thick. Why mango? Mango is full of vitamin C and helps keep your skin glowing. Alright, let's move on to the pineapple smoothie base. First, take 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Then, add a few ice cubes. Next, pour in a little coconut water or almond milk. Now, blend until it's creamy. But why pineapple, you ask? Well, pineapple helps with digestion and is full of antioxidants. Now, let's dive into the papaya smoothie base. Start by taking 1 cup of frozen papaya. Add half a banana for some sweetness. Then pour in a little oat milk or any milk you prefer. Blend until it's smooth. So, why papaya? Papaya is really good for your stomach and has lots of vitamin A. Now the fun part, toppings. You can mix and match so many fun things. Fresh fruits like kiwi, berries, or bananas, granola for a crunch, nuts like almonds or walnuts, seeds like chia or pumpkin seeds, coconut flakes for a tropical taste, and edible flowers to make it beautiful. Here's a tip. Combine things that are crunchy and soft and mix sweet and sour tastes too. These smoothie bowls can be made in any way you like. Want it vegan? Use plant-based milks like almond or oat milk. Want extra protein? Add a spoon of protein powder or nut butter. Want it extra sweet? Maple syrup or a little honey can be added. There are no regulations. You can make the ideal smoothie bowl yourself. It should look as good as it tastes in your smoothie bowl. Use colorful bowls or even coconut shells if you have them. When you add toppings, try to arrange them in rows, circles, or fun shapes like a heart or a rainbow. Take your time. Make it look like art. That's it, friends. 3 tropical smoothie bowls that are easy, healthy, and super yummy. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to receive more entertaining healthy recipes, and let me know in the comments, which fruit is your favorite? Mango, pineapple, or papaya? Come back next time. Stay cool and stay healthy.